Scania Infotainment systems, also known as the Radio Infotainment Unit or CIU, sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. If a standard restart via the ignition or menu doesn't work, try a forced reboot by holding the power button or volume plus power for 10 to 15 seconds. For persistent issues, consider a fuse or battery pull, but be cautious. Disconnect the infotainment fuse in the fuse box or the vehicle battery's negative terminal for 5 to 10 minutes. This is a last resort, as it can reset time and date settings and could lead to data loss. Before attempting hardware resets, check for available over-the-air software updates, now standard in many Scania models. These updates often resolve the issues without needing physical intervention. Note, battery disconnects in newer electric hybrid models can disrupt telematics data. It's best to consult Scania's diagnostic tool for error codes before proceeding, as codes like CIU01 indicate firmware problems. If problems persist, seek professional diagnostics to avoid warranty issues or unintended damage.